Morning YouTube. Hope you're having a wonderful Sunday while I'm playing in the oily abyss of head gaskets and trying to break head bolts. Oh, that one was loose, wasn't it? That one wasn't even torqued up to the right specification. Oh, look at that! Even that one was even loose. Wow. This head... I haven't even undone that one yet. And look. I'm undoing it by finger. I think someone's done this head gasket before and forgot to torque some head bolts down. Look at that! Oh my god! It wasn't even torqued down. I unscrewed it by hand. Oh my god! I can't believe that. I'm happy I got the camera rolling to catch that. Oh, this one's definitely torqued to it. I don't know if they're torqued or just done up. Yeah, there you go, look, another one. Oh, what is going on here? Another one by hand. This is wrong. Look at that. Straight out. No oil, no nothing. Oh look. Oh, this is a joke, isn't it? This has got to be a joke. Look, they've torqued a couple down just to make it look like it. Look, another one. This is wrong. And I drove this out here and back. I drove it to Steve the mechanic's and he drove it around like this as well. Look at it! Hand tight head bolts. Oh my god. Wow. That one's tight. Oh, another one. These are supposed to be all torqued up, and they're not. I can't get over it. This head has definitely been off before. This is... Look at that! What is going on? Oh, I'll undo the rest and I'll be back soon. So I've undone the heads. What the bloody hell is that inside the head? And it crumbles. I don't even know what it is. It feels like charcoal. I know diesel's real coal on that, but bloody hell, what is that? What have I got here? Look at it. It crumbles like coal, but then it's got like an oily, well, because it's been in there, so obviously because it's got oil. But the head bolts, some of them were hard and obviously torqued down, and then others, most of them were all loose. Wow, really makes you wonder what people do with cars, and then well, like, if they're gonna strip it, but why leave half of it? 12 mil. Oh, I just can't understand it. Why not in half? They're using the rattle gun today too, which I hadn't used. So, another 2 head bolts loose. They're not torqued down. Really? What's going on? I'm shocked, eh? Two, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 18 head bolts. Wow. And now I just got to undo the turbo from the exhaust, and I think it's almost ready to lift up. Wow. Holy crap. I'm just gonna take a moment for you guys to take that in and see what I can see. Oh, you know, that that injector that I had troubles with taking out of number 3. And then it's got so much soot on top of that piston. Like, if it was a teaspoon of coffee, you could put hot water in it and make yourself a cup of coffee. Yeah. So the pistons look okay. I'm happy to say the pistons look okay, and the block looks okay. But you know, like, you were watching me undo those head bolts, right? And some were torqued, some weren't. And then I got Kel to come and give me a hand to lift it, because I'm not supposed to lift anything really heavy with my neck after having that surgery and that. And well, damn, exhaust side. That, I can't even focus it properly. Like, they're holes that are supposed to be there for water jackets and exhaust jackets and stuff. Yeah, exhaust holes and stuff. And then you get this one here that's out of shape. Well, I'm just gonna turn the camera around. Won't be a sec. Okay, I just went and put some white gloves on as well, so you could actually see what I was talking about. That I think somebody's done a dodgy on this cylinder, eh? Well, let's go back, rewind a bit. The vehicle was brought at Gray's auction, and basically you never really know what you're buying from an auction house anyway. You're buying someone's problems or someone's accident-prone vehicle. Happened to be that I stuck a battery in it, and it started. So I thought, oh well, the motor's good. So I sent it down to my mate to get it roadworthy enough that I could drive it and fix it myself. Happened to be that I blew the head gasket, and here we are today, for the last 3 days, doing this job. Anyway, move forward. So I'm going to get down nice and level with this. And once I get down here, I probably won't be able to get up. But I thought, hey, let's just throw it on the ground anyway. It's stuff that needs replacing, and well, there's a lot of things that need replacing on this engine. I've noticed there's a lot of brittle stuff, and there's a lot of brittle hoses, and plugs are a little bit brittle and that. So let's just say it might be easier to throw a second-hand motor in. And just looking at the what do you call them? Glow plugs. That one's protruding out. That one's not. That one's not. And that one's not. but that one is weird. Anyway, so we look at the back of the. This is number 4, number 3, number 2. They had a dead mozzie on it, and number 1 up the front. Then we take that off. Then you roll it over, and then you see the damage on that side. So then you go, well, how bad's the head? That's how bad the head is. No wonder I don't have any compression. And that brittle stuff that was up on top, I guess, was part of the head. And they've put a solution in to get it through. And it finally gave way, and yeah, that is not good. So it's not an easy job. I don't even have to send that head off to get machined or nothing, because it's fucked. So I'm sort of at that stage now where another 3 litre diesel or something else. But yeah, that's where I'm at. Anyway, it's a Sunday. I'm gonna go and chill out, upload this for you guys, and wow, that was a short video. At least we now know what the story is behind the ute. It wasn't just a blown head gasket. Maybe it wasn't that EGR valve, which they put them on there for a reason, so why block them off, you know? It definitely wasn't an EGR problem. But like, see, this is, look how rusty this is. See, that one needs replacing. Bottom one needs replacing. So that whole plug needs to be replaced. Yeah, she hasn't been looked after by any means.